Is Jira a tool that you can self-learn? Is Jira a tool that is easy to learn? Can anybody, learn Jira? My answer to that will be yes. Yes, you can, but it takes a lot of time, dedication, and commitment. You need to stay focused, you need to stay committed, and you need to be determined. There are different things you can learn about Jira. So you need to first of all understand, what are your goals? What do you want to use Jira for? How do you want to use it? Because you could be a Jira basic user, or do you want to be a Jira advanced user, or a Jira super user? Is all up to you. You can learn it. You can self-learn as well. So long as you have the time for it, then yes, my answer to that will be yes. If you want to find out my journey on how I've done it, leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you.